Hi, in this video, I would like to share with you how to identify the cells that are blank. So for example, this is the sales data, right? And there are some cells is missing, right? It's completely empty. We can see that right here, the rows, this row 6, right? This cells is empty. And there are several rows here, right? So where else that there are empty cells? So we've got to find out that. So one way is that we'll look at it one by one. Now that would be very time consuming, right? Look at that. There's a lot. So what you can do is that you select the current region by pressing Ctrl A to select the current region, the use range, and then now we highlighted the entire data and go to the Home tab. Choose condition formatting and go to highlight cell rules and look at more rules. Head to these, look for blanks. So we want Excel to automatic highlight the cells that are blank and go to format, choose fill, choose red color, or it could be yellow. Click OK. Then click OK. Now we know that this is the fill cell that contains that. And that is how we get this. Thanks for watching.